Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to recover an old lost account in Clash Royale. So open up your browser and go to Supercell. Once you're on the website, scroll down and click on Support. This will take you to Supercell's official help center where you can find support for all of their games. Next, go ahead and select Clash Royale from the list of games. Once you're inside, click on Troubleshooting. From here, scroll down until you see the option for Contact Form. Click on that, and when it asks you to log in, just click on Continue without logging in. Now, this is where things get important. You'll see a form that is specifically designed for help with lost accounts or Supercell IDs. From here, select a category. For example, if you're not sure, you can just go with something else. After that, you'll need to provide some details. Enter your player tag or the account name of your lost Clash Royale account. Then, type in your email address. Once that's done, scroll down to the message box. Here you'll need to explain your problem clearly. After that, complete the security check by clicking on I am human, fill in the CAPTCHA, and finally tap on Submit. And that's it. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you managed to recover your account.